It was a celebration at the 40th Precinct Monday morning.
Of the position of police commissioner.
Study shows that 54% of whites make up the NYPD, while 16% are blacks and 24% are Hispanics. Caban will be the first Latino to serve as police commissioner.
In those days, the top bosses of the police department didn't really look like me. Police officer Eddie Caban could not walk into the 40 precinct, look up at the leadership photos hanging on the wall, and envision his future.
Commissioner Caban is right. However, the Bronx is no stranger to being a groundbreaking borough. We have the first African-American female as our Bronx Borough President, Vanessa L. Gibson.
The leadership never looked like him back in 1991. Now in 2023, it does. And when you think about all these historic appointments, it means that people of color, qualified, experienced people of color are moving through the ranks. And we're showing the world what our leadership is all about.
Also serving as the first African-American female Bronx District Attorney, Darcel Clark, who gave us a statement concerning the elevation of Commissioner Caban. And I quote, "I congratulate Edward Caban for his new role as the city's 46th police commissioner and the first Latino commissioner of the NYPD in its 177th-year history. With his 30-plus years experience, I am sure he will lead the city to a brighter future. Together we can fight back against the scourge of gun violence and save a generation of young people from death in prison."
To them I say, the NYPD wants you, the NYPD needs you, and your commissioner has plenty for you to do. So come join us. And as the mayor likes to say, let's get stuff done.
Nobody can protect and serve New York City better than a true New Yorker. Edward Caban is a third-generation New Yorker after his ancestors moved to the United States during World War I. Reporting for BronxNet, Kairi Moody.